I know, it's still July, but hear me out. The minute I see the tiniest hint of cooler weather on the horizon, my brain immediately says pumpkins. So today we're cleaning, decorating, fluffing every cozy corner we can find, and getting our house ready for early fall. So grab your coffee, your cleaning supplies, or whatever project you've been putting off, and let's make our homes feel a little cozier together. If you're new here, my name is Rita Slanina. I am an actress, author, lifestyle content creator, and your shopping bestie over on Amazon Live. And we love doing all things homemaking here and cooking and cleaning and decorating, of course. So if this is something that you're into, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it with your friends, and hang out because I love to chat with you and hang out and get to know everyone while we clean together. All right, let's get started. I always think it's funny that the bathroom is one of the last places guests usually see, but somehow it's the first place that makes me feel like the season has officially changed. One little pumpkin, a cozy hand towel, maybe a candle. Suddenly, we're all pretending we're living inside a fall magazine. And if you've ever decorated a bathroom before your living room, congratulations. You're my people. Yay, yay. Oh, goodness gracious. So let's just get some of this going. I want to get this bathroom just feeling all the fall vibes.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. I'm never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching up.
Hi, what are you doing, Dorothy? Okay, so I think we got to a good stopping point here. All right, we're at a good stopping point. Oh, let's close this. I haven't figured out what I want to put in here for decorations, actually. Let me think about that for a second. While Dorothy gets comfortable. Okay, I just wanted to give you guys the little bathroom tour for fall. How cute is this? Oh, I didn't put the signs up over here. You know, maybe I won't. Maybe I won't. So we got little hand soap area decorative. These were up last year, same things. This curtain is new. I love it. I love those shower curtain hooks. So easy to use. Sort of redid this little area here. Is my shampoo and, you know, whatever things. Swapped out the towel for fall colors. And then we've got this here. Easy, just beautiful, simple. I love I'm sorry. Tell me if you guys like this or not. Like in real time, this looks like super artsy. Like I made it look really pretty and cool, but on camera, it kind of looks sloppy. Can we take a poll? Is this a yay or a nay? I would love to know if you guys think this looks cute. I feel like I could maybe bend the things a little bit more or maybe pop them in the corner, but for now, I think this looks great. We are done in this room. Yay. There's just something about decorating that front porch or front yard, I suppose, that makes the whole house feel just a little bit happier before you come into it, right? Even if it's 110 degrees outside, at least my porch is emotionally in October. It's definitely not finished yet. I already know I'm going to add some mums, probably some pumpkins. I don't know, maybe 3, but let's throw that to next week's problem. As far as the living room goes, though, I'm not trying to completely redecorate the house today. I really just kind of wanted to get the ball rolling. Um, I'm really just swapping those lighter summer pieces for warmer textures and cozier colors. It's amazing how changing a few pillows and blankets can trick your brain into thinking life is completely together. Spoiler alert, mine is not, but at least the couch looks fantastic. One thing I've learned this year is that decorating can actually motivate me to clean. Once everything starts looking cozy, suddenly I don't want dirty dishes hanging around or ruining the vibe. You feel me? It's honestly a sneaky little productivity trick, and I don't think I invented it, but I might have just invented it. I have a question. Let's take a poll. What is your favorite part of decorating? Pumpkins, candles, cozy blankets, porch decor? Oh gosh, did I spit that out right? Put in the comments below. I want to hear from you. And also tell me what you guys are working on today. Are you decorating yet? Or are you just putting that off for a little while longer? Are you cleaning? Let's cheer each other on while we run through our chores together today.
You say you need your space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. Just to close the door. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Change all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in. You hit me up when the nights get slow, but then disappear when the highs get low. I ain't your maybe. Tell me what it is, 'cause I'm way too grown to be messing with a love like this. I give you love, but you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. You stay closing doors. I stay up late, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change all the time. Changing all the time. Why are you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in. Why you always halfway in? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't play me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end. Don't wanna love this paper thin. So why you always halfway in? Halfway in.
You know what's funny? Every year I tell myself I'm going to wait until September to decorate for fall. And every year July rolls around, I'm over here fluffing pumpkins like it's my full time job. I don't even think it's about fall anymore. I think in my mind, I'm just ready for a change of scenery. Same house, different pillows. Somehow my brain goes, yep, we can do this now. Tell me I am not the only one who starts nesting the second summer starts wearing out its welcome. And I've also I have officially accepted that I'm just never going to be one of those people who decorates exactly when the calendar says I should. If my brain says it's cozy season, it is cozy season. The weather can argue with me if it wants, but the weather is wrong.